I think it's a girl. Kasi kita ko naman blooming si Rain eh, kaya girl talaga.
Base sa suot ko, it's a gay. Char. It's a boy. It's a boy. Tapos, Zion Ray ang pangalan niya.
I think it's a boy kahit naka-white ako.
Ako, feeling ko talaga boy. Tapos yung name niya na ano, Zanti. Parang si pa din.
We think it's a boy.
I think it's a boy!
Ako rin, sa tingin ko, yan ay boy na parang si Buloy at malupit.
It's a boy! It's a boy!
think it's a girl.
I think it's a boy.
I think it's a boy. I think it's a boy because mga pinapakita ng ni Ina, maraming mga sign na lalaki siya. Kasi hindi siya ngayon masyadong mas pastura, lagi natutulog. Ganun ang usually sa mga symptoms sa mga boy ang anak.
Sa gathering ito at nagkasama-sama kami para ma-witness ang gender ng magiging anak ni na Janly and Rain.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's magic, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe out, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar.
Sample.
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time. Take it.
Z and Ray, ang ina. Ulit, mag-ingay yung team girl! Mag-ingay yung team boy! 3, 2, It's a boy! It's a boy! Congrats!
Hi, baby boy! We are so excited to see you and meet you and hug you and... Pero yeah, we're always here for you. Kung ano man ang pagdaanan mo pag lumaki ka na. Nandito lang si tita, si ninang mo, ninang Zonya. And we love you. We can't wait to see you.
Sa aking unang apo ay dapat maging malusog at maging mabait ka. Masunurin sa magulang. Yun lang.
Sa aming first baby boy ni Rain, syempre, una sa lahat, di na kayo makapag-wait na makita ka. Kaya ilang months na lang, makikita ka na namin. And sana lumaki ka na sobrang matalino, masipag, mabait. And syempre, alam naman namin na gagawin namin lahat ng mama mo para sa'yo, para sa future mo. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Ayan, ako naman message ko sa magiging baby namin. First baby boy na first of all, thankful kami kasi dumating ka sa life namin and dadating ka sa life namin kung i-bless tayo talaga. And make sure namin, gagawin namin yung best namin ng daddy mo na
palakihin ka na mayroong takot kay God, na may respect and love sa bawat kapwa mo. And hindi na kami makapaghintay na makasama ka. And yung mga pagpupuyat, sige, excited na rin kami dyan. And sana, ma-feel mo rin yung pagmamahal namin sa'yo. Ayun lang. Thank you so much po.
It's a boy! Yay! Yes!